Reena Wani, and now I'm going to talk to you about how to keep yourself clean and safe during your menstrual period using sanitary napkins. The menstrual cycle is something which is part of your normal life in the reproductive age group. But it's important to take protective means during your period to prevent staining and to be comfortable to do your daily routine. One of the options you can use is pads or sanitary napkins to collect the menstrual flow so you can do your daily activity. Remember girls, periods are part of your normal life. The sanitary napkin or pad is one of the easiest things to use. It can be put comfortably on a well-fitted panty and changed every 4 to 5 hours. The wet napkin, if kept for too long, can be an agent for bacterial growth and infection, hence never wear it for more than 8 hours. Keep the area clean and you will be comfortable and be able to do everything you want during your period and nothing will stop you.